DRLEARN is proud to be a partner with HVAC Excellence. HVAC Excellence is an organization dedicated to the education and training of professionals in heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration, managed under the leadership of the ESCO Institute. DRLEARN produces on-demand learning courses, as well as virtual tours that help both entry-level and experienced professionals continue to learn and understand the technology and strategies involved with the installation and operations of the HVAC industry. With on-demand courses, enrollees will progress their way through episodic content and presentations, followed by assessments and review. Virtual interactive tours include 360-degree images, along with documentary-style interviews and content, to provide a deep look at residential, commercial, and other unique installation sites for water heating, air conditioning, and other energy-efficient technology. To learn more about the DRLEARN team and DNR International, visit the DNR International Solutions page.